Hi, I'm Kazul, and I'm glad you've stumbled into my lair. This is where my creatures are born. To me, there is nothing more satisfying than bringing a character to life in the real world through art and performance. The cosplay community has inspired me so much through the years with its amazing builds and wealth of tutorials that people share. Cosplay has opened up so many doors to amazing experiences and has helped me achieve some of my biggest goals. And because of that, I want to do something to give back to the community that has changed my life. With each one of my builds, I've really pushed myself to learn new techniques and materials, and I want to share the processes and things I've figured out with you. I share through tutorials and patterns, behind the scenes on my own personal big projects, and more. Now, in my videos, you'll hear me end off with a particular phrase. Embracing your inner beast is about accepting yourself as you are, all your good traits and the bad. You may not be where you want to be as a person or an artist, but accepting and embracing that fact will help you start down a path of growth and learning that'll help you thrive in real life and in your craft. So I hope you'll subscribe so you won't miss any steps as new creatures are born, and maybe you'll join me in making some creatures of your own. Now, let's embrace that inner beast and fill the world with some monsters.